Hello guys, today I've got the Marshall Heston 60 and I'm going to show you why does your Soundbar Marshall Heston 60 keep disconnecting from your devices. So, the main issue actually may be the cable. Try to plug the cable all the way into the DC port and everything should be fine. Apart from that, the power plug, try to switch the power outlets, try to not plug it to the extensions but to the power outlet in your wall, directly, and check if it's still that bad. If it's still bad, you need to do something different. And it's not connected with your phone, just your soundbar itself. Here, hold the source button for, I'd say, maybe 10 seconds. And as you can see, something is now bugged. I don't know why. Wait a moment. Now we've got factory reset. I fixed this, and it should be done. If it's still not done, and if this factory reset didn't help you, you need to just contact the factory, contact the company and say that your soundbar is broken. There are no actually features that we can do manually. You can just try to unplug this from the power or some other things, but there is nothing actually we can do. Goodbye.